The video you're about to watch is on the Williams Sound Pocketalker Ultra. This is a personal amplifier that is used for people who are hard of hearing. It amplifies the sound and voices around them so they can hear more clearly. This is the Williams Sound Pocketalker Ultra. In the box, you will find the Pocketalker, the batteries, and there are other batteries inside this kit. You have a pair of headphones, the extra batteries, a lanyard for wearing the Pocketalker around your neck, an extension cable for the microphone, the Pocketalker itself, and the user guide. The kit also includes 200 sanitary headphone covers or booties. So now we're going to set up the Pocketalker, and the first thing we want to do is get the headphones ready. Now, I've already put a sanitary cover on these headphones, and what you do is you pull one out of your sanitary booty package here, and this has an elastic band that just goes right over the earphone piece like that. And then when that person's done using it, you just pull those off and dispose of them. Once we have the headphones set up, we'll take the Pocketalker, remove the battery door, and we will take two AAA batteries from the package and put the negative battery terminal to the spring, which is the negative battery terminal in the Pocketalker. Put that one in here, take the battery door, put it back on the Pocketalker, close it, and now we will take the headphone jack and put it into the top of the headphone port on the Pocketalker. And now we can put our headphones on. Then on the side, there's a power switch here on a rotary switch. If you move that wheel up, you'll turn it on. You'll know it's on when this red light is illuminated on the top of the Pocketalker. And then you can adjust your volume on this same wheel until you can hear clearly. If you need some more enhancement, you can adjust the tone control here on the opposite side on this wheel, and you can make it more bassy or more high-pitched depending on your needs. If you happen to need this microphone closer to the person that you're trying to hear, there is an extension cable that comes in the kit. So what we'll do is we'll remove the headphones and turn off the Pocketalker, and then we can remove the microphone from the top of the Pocketalker, set it to the side, get our extension cable, plug the microphone into the extension cable at this end, and take this end of the extension cable and plug it into this port on top of the Pocketalker. And then we can take this microphone, once we unravel it here, and we can put this closer to the person we're trying to hear. And if you happen to get any squealing through the earpieces here, that means that your volume is turned up too high, or you have the headphones too close to the microphone, and that's called feedback. So you just want to separate the microphone from the headphones, giving them distance so that they're not too close to one another. And now you're ready to use the Pocketalker.